you're a user of a consumer product or a prescription drug, or you've been implanted with some type of medical device and you hear that the device has been recalled, what does that mean? My name's Dan Burke and I'm a lawyer at Burke Waichman in New York, and I handle litigations concerning medical devices, prescription drugs, and consumer products on a daily basis. You may hear that the product was recalled. What does a recall mean? Well, there are actually three different types of recalls in this country. The first is known as a Class 1 recall. Class 1 recall is when the drug or consumer product or medical device is likely to cause adverse health consequences or death. And this is obviously the most serious type of recall. For example, prescription drugs that can cause cancer, or medical devices that can fail and cause a need for revision surgery. Class 2 recalls, on the other hand, are recalls concerning drugs that may, or devices or consumer products that may lead to temporary or curable medical consequences. And Class 3 recalls are not likely to cause adverse events and adverse health events in people. Why is this important? When you hear the word recall being used with respect to a product or a drug or a device that you're using, it's a scary thing. And a recall doesn't always mean that the product has to come off the market. Sometimes the recall simply means that the FDA is requiring the company to take the drug temporarily and make a change to the labeling to better advise consumers as to how to use the drug, or with respect to the adverse events and the risks that are involved, so that you and your doctor can make a more intelligent decision as to whether or not you want to continue to use this drug, or whether or not you want to consider having a device removed from your body, or whether or not you want to continue to use a particular consumer product that has been recalled. So if you have any questions, if you've learned that your product or device or drug that you're using has been recalled, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about it. Again, my name's Dan Burke. I'm a lawyer at Burke Waichman in New York, and I'd like to thank you very much for taking the time to listen today.